What?
Yours was like boiling.
Open these!
Why do I have to open them?
Because I can't get them open.
I don't need to open them yet. I'm cooking the pasta.
What is she broadcasting?
No, this is for the,
What are you
dressing we
doing?
use for that.
It's in the
That's
bags.
disgusting.
It's in the bags. That's the same dressing we've always used. How
Shut
is it disgusting? It's the same thing every time.
Exactly.
Well, different salad. Same process.
Yeah, it is, Jess. No, it's not.
Tell them you bought it
I got it from Sean.
Yeah, Jess.
from him.
She bought it from Shaw's.
No, I make it absolutely gross because you bought it from Amber.
She bought it from Shaw's.
I think. I don't care what the bag says.
The bag says Shaw's. Oh my god, the bag doesn't say this does. The bag says Shaw's.
I say it says
Shaw's.
Hannaford.
Shaw's.
No, Hannaford.
I'll never mind it.
I told you they were gonna put it over.
That's not a paring knife.
Jess.
That's not a paring knife for. What the hell are you paring? You're not paring anything.